Xander, go look over there. What's under there? What is it?
It's my present.
From who?
CJ.
Well, go look to see what it is. You sure about that?
Oh my gosh, this is nice. I can't believe CJ got me this.
What's in that?
It's a race car. Oh, so
What do you say to CJ?
thank you, CJ. Love you. Be safe. Open it.
Yeah, you can open it. It's yours.
I can do what anything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You excited about your game too?
Yes.
How excited?
All the way to the moon.
All the way to the moon excited, huh?
I can open this.
Huh?
It's big.
Yeah, didn't you say you wanted a big one?
Yeah. He couldn't find a thingy.
Yeah, you couldn't find a Camaro. Yeah, use a Corvette.
I need to